In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply filters to Discord. Whether you're a seasoned server owner or a new user, voice clarity can make or break the online communication experience. And that's exactly why knowing how to apply filters such as echo cancellation is so beneficial for maintaining clear and effective communication. So, let's dive right into it and ensure your voice conversations are top-notch. First things first, you'll need to open up Discord on your desktop or through your web browser. If you're not already logged in, you'll see a login button prominently displayed. Click on that button to enter your login details. Just type in your email or username and password, then hit enter, and voila, you're in. Now that you're logged into Discord, you will land on the home page. This is your main hub, where all your direct messages and server lists are visible. Here, you'll want to look for the gear icon which represents your user settings. It's found at the bottom left corner of your Discord interface, right next to your username. Click on the gear icon to open up the user settings menu. This menu hosts a wealth of options to customize your Discord experience. We're focusing on the voice and video settings. So, scroll down the sidebar and click on Voice and Video. This section deals with anything related to your microphone, headset, and general audio-video configurations. Inside the voice and video settings, you'll be presented with a range of options. What we're looking for in this instance is echo cancellation. As the name suggests, it's designed to filter out unwanted echo during voice chats, delivering a clearer audio experience for both you and your buddies on the other end. It's especially handy if you're in a room with lots of hard surfaces which can create echo, or if you have an open mic setup without headphones. To enable echo cancellation, simply scroll through the settings until you find it. It's usually a toggle switch, and you want to make sure it's turned on. No need for any additional settings or configurations. Just one click and you're good to go. Once enabled, Discord will automatically handle echo issues when you're on a call. That's it. You've successfully applied a filter to improve your Discord audio. By enabling echo cancellation, you've made a significant improvement to the quality of your conversations. People will appreciate not having to deal with echoes, making interactions that much smoother and enjoyable. Remember, these tweaks can make your Discord interactions much more professional and pleasant, so don't hesitate to use them. I hope this guide has been helpful, and don't forget to explore more of Discord settings to further enhance your experience. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and happy chatting!